Hi, this is Coco. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to say no politely. I know it can be really difficult to say no because you don't want to upset people around you. You might be worried about what they will think of you or how they will react. Maybe you will lose their favor. I know, I've had this problem too before. Sometimes I just don't want to say no because I'm afraid of how the other person will react. It's scary to think that the person won't like you anymore or be upset with you. And if saying no is difficult for most of us, it is especially tough if you have to do it in another language. And English as well. And when English is not your first language, I understand it, how hard it will be. It can leave you feeling embarrassed and even frustrated. Probably you feel like you are offending somebody by saying no. However, saying no can sometimes be the kindest and the best thing you can do. Trust me, especially if you learn how to say it in a clear and kind way. People will respect you even more when you can give them a straightforward answer. Alright, let's imagine this following scenario. You are on your lunch break and a colleague asks you if you want to go for a drink with everyone after work. The problem is you really don't want to go because you are a bit tired and a bit stressed. You've had a busy week and all you want to do is just go home. Imagine yourself put on your pajamas, curl up on the sofa and binge watch Netflix. That's all you want to do. What are you going to say to your colleague? Let me help you. Probably you can say, I will have to take a rain check. I've got something else tonight. Next time for sure. Or you can say, mind if I take a rain check on that? I've already got plans for tonight. Another way you can also say, I'm really sorry that's not going to work for me, but let's arrange something for another time. I'm flattered you considered me, but unfortunately I will have to pass this time. I'm afraid that I can't. I have another commitment. I'm really sorry. Alright, that's all for today. I hope these answers can really help you to feel less anxious by saying no. Thank you very much for watching this video and please feel free to share with me your ideas and comments. I love to help. See you next time. Bye.